Hi, I'm Rachel, and this video is going to show how to use a Relaxed Parent Baby Wrap. This is a very soft and thin stretchy wrap. It's about 55 centimeters wide, and it's very comfortable and easy to use. So I'm going to show you in this video how to use this stretchy wrap both with a newborn and with a toddler, because the same wrap can be used with both size children. So to begin, you're going to locate your Relaxed Parent tag, logo tag, and you're going to place that right in the middle of your chest, holding that with one hand. Turn around, bring the tail across your back and over your opposite shoulder, making a diagonal across your back. I'm going to gather this up on my shoulder, and then do the same thing on the other side, taking the other tail across your back and then over your shoulder. So now in the back you have an X, a nice wide spread X, and in the front you have a horizontal part and two tails. The next thing you're going to do is bunch this horizontal part into a little tube. Take your two tails, pull them snug, so now the tube is very snug, and then reach under this horizontal tube and tuck both tails through. Okay. To get head support for a younger baby, you can pull up on the fabric just beside your neck, tighten a bit, and then bring that excess slack through. Pull here, pull there. Now I'm going to cross these two tails at about my belly button and tie a double knot in the back. And now this carrier is set up for either a baby or a toddler. So I'm going to start by showing you how to put a newborn sized baby in. So you're going to take the horizontal part and push it down, out of the way. Take your hands inside of the two diagonals. These are called cross passes. And just kind of push them down out of the way. This is where your baby's going to go. So you're going to hold your newborn on your shoulder as if you're about to burp them. Take your hand under one of the diagonals and guide one foot through. Then shift baby to the other shoulder. Take your hand under the other diagonal and tuck that foot through. Then you can shift your baby down into your baby's normal newborn position. Their knees are higher than their bottom. They're relaxing nice and high on your chest so that you can easily kiss them. Now I'm going to spread out both of these diagonals, so I'll take and locate the one that's underneath, which is on this side. I'm going to spread that over the baby's entire back, all the way from this knee to the other knee, and over baby's back and shoulders. Same thing on the other side, taking the fabric from knee to knee, and then up over baby's back and shoulders. Now I'm going to take a moment to make sure that the baby's face isn't covered, so I'll take the top edge of the fabric, pull it a bit away so that baby's face is free. And the last thing I have is to take care of this horizontal piece that I push out of the way. So I'm going to tuck one leg under that horizontal piece, and then the other. And then I'm going to spread that up over baby's back so that my logo tag ends up centered again. And this adds a bit of extra support and snugginess to the carry. You can take this bottom edge and tuck it between you a bit, from about knee to knee. And there's your newborn carry. Quick and easy to take the baby out, like if baby's falling asleep and you want to lay the baby down to nap. You can push this down, spread each cross pass open, and lift up. Put baby on your shoulder, take the fabric off of their legs, and they're done. And now you can use this exact same carry with a toddler without changing anything. Alright, let's say you've laid your baby down, but now your toddler would like to be held. You can use the exact same carry without retying anything to carry a toddler as well. So what you'll do is you'll lift your toddler up onto your shoulder as if you were going to burp your toddler, and then take one hand under the pass, take one leg through, shift baby to the other side, take the other leg through. Now you can seat your toddler on the diagonal passes, and then we'll find the top edge of the pass and spread it all the way out, going from knee to knee. Yeah. This is where the extra width of this wrap is really nice because it spreads nicely across the toddler's body all the way from knee to knee.
What's
Spread out the other one, making sure again that this fabric is going over his back and all the way from one bend of one knee to the bend of the other knee, giving him a lot of nice comfortable support. Now I'm going to locate that horizontal part that I pushed out of the way and tuck each foot under it one at a time. First this one, then that one. There we go. And now I'll spread the fabric up over his back. Make sure it's between us. And there you have Snuggly Toddler Carry. And I didn't change a single thing about it. So the same exact wrap works for a newborn and a toddler. Alright, if you'd like to get yourself a Relaxed Parent Baby Wrap, there's a link in the description. Thanks, happy baby wearing.